Hello everyone, I'm Elizabeth and today at El's Alchemy, we're going to learn how to make fluffy, delicious pumpkin pancakes in 5 minutes. These soft and fluffy pumpkin pancakes are full of fall flavors with cinnamon, ginger and nutmeg, helping to amp up the pumpkin flavor. Stay till the end as I will also share how not to burn your pancakes as well. So let's get started with pumpkin pancake recipe. First off, I'm adding 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon homemade pumpkin spice. Check out the description box for how to make your own homemade pumpkin spice. Give it a mix while you indulge in this beautiful warm aroma filling your kitchen. It smells great. Now let's get started with the wet ingredient. Take 1 egg which is at room temperature. Now to make a vegan version, just replace 1 egg with 1/4 cup of pureed cooked apple or applesauce. Add in 1 cup whole milk or oat milk. To this, let's add in 100 grams of pumpkin puree. If you want to know how to make pumpkin puree from scratch, check out the links down below. This seems well combined now and let's say goodbye to it for now. Now let's fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Take a spatula and gently fold them in. So here's a tip. You must not overdo the mixing cause it will then become very dense and not light. Get a pan heated up and plop in some butter. Now, once it's hot enough, pour out the batter in any shape you want. This is my favorite part, watching for the bubbles on the pancake. Now remember to always keep the flame to a low when you're cooking pancakes, else they burn out easily. I use a lid to close it for a couple of seconds just to speeden up the cooking. Flip them over and you should see a golden brown color now. Now that looks cooked and give it a minute to cook the other side as well. Use pumpkin spice syrup to gobble up all those pancakes for that extra pumpkin flavor. And of course, top it up with pumpkin seeds for the extra texture. Look at how soft they are in the middle and crispy on the edge, fluffy in texture which is evident from the holes within the pancake. While shooting, my kids would not stop eating and hence they disappeared fast, as you can see. If this was a mouth-watering recipe, check out how to make pumpkin bread that is eggless and so healthy that you can have it for breakfast, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.